Hello, everybody. It's your friend Wade Perry of the Perry Properties Group, where we are working with neighbors and creating community. Welcome to the October edition of Real Estate Insights. You know, it is still gorgeous weather outside. We've got temperatures even in the low 70s. It's just a fabulous and beautiful time of year, but don't be fooled. Old man winter is on his way. And there are things that you should be doing to prepare your house for winter. And with that said, I think it's safe to say that we would rather do these things when the weather is nice than when it's cold and bitter. So I've put together a list of about 7 or 8 things that I think you should be doing to prepare your home for winter. And we're going to start with the outside of the house first, because just in case the weather gets cold early, you'll have those out of the way and you can focus on the inside. So let's go ahead and get into it. First, clean the gutters, also known as the eaves. Without a doubt, my least favorite job when I was a young boy growing up. Just couldn't stand it. My brother and I would fight over who had to hold the ladder. So get up there and clean those eaves before those first snowfalls come. Second, as an extension of that, make sure that your downspouts are clear. And that you have downspout extensions that carry the water at least 3 and preferably 4 feet away from the foundation of your home. Third, have your sprinklers blown out. It's not enough to just turn the sprinkler system off, because then water is still in the line, they can freeze, and burst pipes can cost you hundreds, even thousands. So call a professional. Pay the money. It's only about $100 or so. Have your sprinklers blown out the right way. Last item on the outside, disconnect your hoses. Just unscrew them, take them off the bibs, and then you're finished with the outside. Unless you want the extra credit, and the extra credit is to hire a roof inspector for probably $100 or so. He'll come out. They'll walk your roof and they'll see what kind of damages may have been done. We did have some hailstorms this summer, and maybe there's a way that he can get you a new roof through a claim, or maybe he's just going to identify a couple of spots that have to be repaired, because what if we have a big winter? You don't want that snow impacting those damaged spots. So that's good for the outside of the house. Let's go inside. First, get your HVAC, that's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, tuned up. I know it sounds odd. How do you tune up for my HVAC system? Yes, if you call a great HVAC company, they'll come out. The company we use is Steel T, great company, and they will tune your system so that it operates efficiently. While you're at it, make sure that you change the filters in your HVAC system, in your furnace, okay? If you have more than one furnace, make sure that you replace those. Make sure that you buy the right size. And just a little word to the wise, do not overspend on the filters. The extra expensive ones, they're not gonna do that much of a better job. And that comes to me from my favorite home inspector. Next item on the inside, change the batteries in your smoke alarms if they're not hardwired. Personally, I like them hardwired and batteries, because in the event of a power outage, the battery will take over and alert you if something's wrong. And the extra credit item for the inside of the house, have your chimney swept. Call it chimney sweep, just like the Mary Poppins movie, and have them come over and sweep your chimney. Creosote can build up. That's a fire danger. If you don't have a chimney, then this obviously is an extra credit. But these are 7 or 8 items that will help you take better care of your home so your home can take exceptional care of you. Again, this is Wade Perry with the Perry Properties Group, where we are working with neighbors and creating community. Remember, it's a great life.